€100 for electricity and gas, and 420 for the house, and totally is 520. All right. So what they give me and the price, I'm gonna show you now. So this is what they give me. All right. This is what they give me. Show you. This is what they give me and the price. I'm gonna show you now. So here you just press, like that. All right, and you just do here. All right, see? All right, yes, yeah, it's fire, and you can cook very quick. All right, yeah, that is what they give me and the price. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is to cook because we are in the kitchen. So now this is up there. So when I cook, because the house supposed to stay clean. You see the house is very clean. So I have this thing up there, right? Because when I cook, I have to press this, right? Right? Because in the house, if you are cooking, you don't have this machine. After 5 months, 6 months, or 1 year, your house will be very dirty. And what happened? When the house be very dirty, the owner of the house will take money from you because he give you the house very clean. And now you, when you give it back very dirty. So they will take money from you because before you get in the house, you pay 2 months deposit and you pay 1 month because you get in the house. Totally, you pay 3 months. So if you don't careful about what you do, the 2 months you pay for deposit, they will take it. All right. So now I keep showing you. So I show you this machine. This is to keep when you're cooking. You have to use this. All right. And I think here is a light. Yeah. To see how your food look like. So this is a machine you use when you're cooking. This is a place where you're gonna cook. And down there I have oven. This is his oven, all right? I can cook pizza. All right, can use it to cook pizza or something. But this is a very big one, all right? So that is what they give me and the price. But I have a house in France. This is how it look like, all right? But I have a house in France. They doesn't give that kind of thing to me. All right, they don't give that kind of thing to me. All right, in France. But here in this country, in Belgium, they give that to me. But not, it depends of the owner. Some house they give that to you, and some house they don't. All right, because I have house in France, they don't give nothing to me. All right, so depend of the owner, and they sometimes depend of the place. Yeah, but this place is very nice place. but it's also very expensive because I pay 520 a month. But some place they don't give that kind of thing to people in the price. But some place they give water, including water. Sometimes they can give including electricity, or sometimes it can be gas, the gas to cook. Because in this place, this thing to this thing up there to cook is gas, and oven I use electricity. It's two things different. All right. Yes. So now, don't forget we are in cold time. If you are foreigners, you wanna be in Europe. Don't forget, if you come in winter time, your life will be expensive because if you are stay home, so more time you will stay in the house and more money you will spend because in the house is cold. So you have to put it warm. And yeah, you will use gas, electricity, to keep your body well. So that's what costs money. If you are in hot country, people they spend less money because they have a sun shining. So in European country, no sun shining. Now, if you go to Italy, Spain, it's different. Yeah, I know you don't know, but I hope you know what's going on. Yeah, this is Emil change shoes down there. So now I'm gonna show you something in cold country. If you and when you are in the house, you wanna get your house be warm because in the house is very cold. So you have to press this on. Alright, you press this on. You see, this is 10. You put it, you see the black thing. You can hear the machine. So now I put the machine on and the house will be warm. But that costs money because just for that I pay 100 euro a month because this little thing will get the house be warm and I pay for that. When we are in poor country, we don't use just to keep the house be warm, or we don't pay because we will use a machine in the house to put the house warm. But in rich country, we have to use that kind of machine and the house will keep warm. But we have to pay. Here, if we don't pay, we will not get it. So that's why poor country, rich country is very expensive. Because rich country, everything you use is money. It's not like poor country. Poor country people get less money, but also they have a less bill. Right? Here, poor rich country, more money you make and more money you spend. It's like that. I pay for electricity, pay for water, pay for gas, right? And pay to get water. This is to get to this is to when I put it on. So this machine will help all the place get warm. Alright? Keep it warm, alright? So now I'm gonna explain something about this. If you wanna be in my house, don't come to my door to do like that. Talk, 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 talk. No, I will never answer you. If you come to my door, you do like that, tuck, 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 I will never answer you. You can sleep in the door. but you have to call here. And before I answer you, you can hear the machine behind me because I put the machine on. I put it on because the house is very cold. So I want the house be warm. Alright? But after 30 minutes and I have to put it off because if I stay the machine on so long, so that will cost me a lot of money. Yeah, because rich country to get warm costs money. Yeah, if you wanna get cold, it's cheap, but if you wanna get warm, it's very expensive. People from poor country, they don't know that because they have sun shining, but they don't know the important about it. Alright? So now we're gonna talk about this. If you wanna be in my place, don't come to my door. Tuk tuk tuk. I will never answer you. You call me here, and I will answer you here. So now, when you ring me here, you can see I can open you the door here. This is the key. Alright? But now, when you call me here, you wanna be in my place, you call me here. Before I answer you, I will check my phone. Did you send me a message? I check message. I hear message. Alright? So when I check like that, I see my message is empty. I have no message. I will never answer you here. Why? Because I don't have appointment with you. That is rich countries like that. I don't have appointment. If I don't have a message, you're supposed to send me a message to let me know you will be in my place. And when you are in the door, and you will call me here, and I will open you the door. Yeah, because I don't have appointment. If I have appointment, all right, I know the person have appointment, and I will open the door for him. All right. So it's not poor country. People go into people's house just like that. No, rich country, we don't do that shit. We don't do that shit. Yeah, before you go to people's house in rich country, you have to send a message. If you don't do it, don't go to people's door house, right?